Uncle Dibbz country chili, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that big chili style. When it gets chilly outside, we make chili inside. First, we're gonna give a rough chop to all of our veggies. White onion, green onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some tomatoes. Set your veggies to the side. In a medium-high pan, add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Chop it up with your spoon, and then for flavor, add that big chili style. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Flavor is amazing, shawty. Once the meat is cooked, add your veggies. Start with your peppers, then add your onions, then give that a nice mix. Don't forget the garlic, shawty, and then add your tomatoes. Continue to mix everything. Add 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Continue to mix, and then add 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, and then cover for at least 1 hour. While that's simmering, we can't forget that cornbread, shawty. Add the toppings that you like, and you're good to go. That's good, shawty.